Dan.
Oh, she gave it a kiss. Okay.
No, I touched it with my mouth.
Climb up on the rock.
Hey, you come up on it.
Check this one out. This is you come in at night. It's
No, it's not a play toy. It's come on.
this is you coming in. That's what your headlamp.
Howdy.
Full moon right there. You see full moon. It's a little fuzzy.
I think Glenn got at the table.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, it was really good to see my friend. It's so funny because the friends are going down to see
It's the rock, yeah.
Come on, Ben.
No, get it.
How did he do? Yeah. Good? Yeah. Oh, yeah. My brother did great.
Okay, sit down. All right, look at Mommy. Sit down.
I'm sitting.
No, you're not. All right. Hey, guys, we have something to tell you. We're not going to be able to go to Denver in September.
Why not?
Well, we're just not going to be able to swing it. But instead, we're going to Disney World.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Is that happy, Ben? Are you happy? Yeah?
Disney?
Yeah, I know what's in Disney.
What's in Disney?
Narnia.
Narnia.
Yeah. Oh, Lion King.
Lion King?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen?
Transformers.
No, no Transformers.
I say he saw Transformers at Dixieland.
Oh, I don't know, maybe. All right, does that work for you guys?
Yep.
All right.
That's what you're earning.
That's what you're ordering points for. All right.